it's Tanya Atomic again, and today I'm unboxing Medusa's makeup. So this is the September box for Medusa's makeup, and to be honest, I'm thinking about unsubscribing and having this be my last box. Not because I don't like Medusa's makeup or enjoy the box, but it is a little bit more than $16 a month, and I feel like I have plenty of items from Medusa's makeup. Now, I actually did a full face aside from foundation and powder, couple face things, but everything else I use Medusa's makeup for. I bought the Electro Shadow kit, so I have all the Electro Shadows. I have plenty of lipsticks. I have a mascara, which I'm wearing the blue Witch Lash mascara today. A couple lip glosses. So I feel like I've gotten a lot out of the boxes, and I don't know if I should keep subscribing or if I should just buy single items. The thing about the box is it's a really good deal because you get 4 to 5 full-size items for just above $16. So, and after doing my full face today, I had a lot of fun using the Medusa's makeup, and I want to continue getting Medusa's makeup, so I'm kind of on the fence. It's like, do I quit the box and just purchase single items, or do I continue with the box and get a deal? I'm not sure what to do. But I have enjoyed the boxes, and let's get into this one and see what's in this month's box. Okay, so this is a little thing telling what's in the box. One of the things that I like, October Beauty box is Romantic Gothic Glam. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna keep the box through October. So, yeah, the Romantic Gothic Glam theme pretty much sums up my personality. So, I'm definitely gonna keep the box for one more month. Here's a coupon for $5 if I want to purchase single items. So that's nice. It's vegan and cruelty-free always. So, I just bought some of this, but eye makeup remover, I just bought some. But it'll come in handy and I will use it. So I'm very happy to get this. It's a really cute bottle. Let's see, this is a matte eyeshadow. It looks like it's black. It's called Bermuda. I'll swatch it for you guys. Ooh, it is not black. It's like a matte purpley dark gray. That's a terrible swatch, I'm sorry. I just kind of started rubbing it on my arm for you, but that gives you an idea. So see, it looks like it's blendable. I'm just continuing to rub it all over, just don't mind me. Mattes can be slightly patchy, and it looks a little bit patchy, but I'm gonna bet you that if I use it on the eyes with a primer that it's gonna look really good. Here's it on my finger. So yeah, it's like a grayish, like a purple gray. So that's nice. I'm obviously excited about this. Some people might be like, gray eyeshadow, but it's like a nice purpley gray. And you could probably use it to deepen colors, and I'm thinking that I'll use it for smoky looks and stuff like that. So there's 2 more things in here, and this is tinted lip balm from Lovebird, and I can always use more lip balm. I just went through one. I always have a bunch. I have like one by my bed, one in the bathroom, one in my purse, and then various other places that I might want to grab a lip balm. I constantly have lip balm on if I don't have lip product on already. So, and I always put it on before I go to bed, stuff, because I hate having dry lips. So, constantly. And I'm very picky about lip balm too. I don't like ones that are drying, because there are some that if you keep using them, they'll be drying. So, very particular about lip balm. I only have a couple that I use, but I'm excited to try this. And the last thing in here is eye dust in Magma. So it's a loose, shimmery powder eye dust. Here, let me kind of show you. It's a reddish. That doesn't quite show you. Let me open this, in danger of having it spill everywhere, but it did. It spilled on my hand a little bit. I shouldn't have opened it, but anyway. Here's the color. And you can see it on my hand. That's really pretty. And they kind of go together. I could see those two colors together. So it's not meant to be, the sifter tops are not meant to be opened. So that's everything in this month's box. You got the eyeshadow, you got the eye shimmer, well, shadow, the lip balm, the eye makeup remover, and the $5 off coupon. So that is pretty good. It says it's a $37 value, just over $16 for the box. The eye makeup remover is a nice product to have in there. It's worth $12. Then you've got the eye dust, which is $8. The lip balm is also $8, and the shadow, which is $9.